Naka-aircon ka nga, amoy kulob naman. Let's fix that kulob problem. Let's start with paano ba nagkakaroon ng amoy kulob in the first place. So, the first thing is poor air circulation. Walang fresh air na pumapasok kung saan man yung space na yan. Second thing is that there is high humidity or moisture in that area. So, case in point, mga CR. Yan ang number one na nagiging amoy kulob. Yung combo na yun, moisture and poor air circulation, that actually contributes to the perfect environment for molds and bacteria to grow. Which is why sila yung nagkukos ng amoy kulob. So, paano naman yung tanong nito? 24/7 siya naka-aircon, pero amoy kulob pa rin. Aircon, it just cools the air in your space, but it does not bring in fresh air from outside. Nire-recycle lang niya kung ano yung hangin na nasa loob na ng kwarto mo, kung saan naka-install yung aircon na yun. So, let's say meron ng amoy kulob sa loob ng bahay mo, your aircon will not actually be able to refreshen your space. Yes, it can cool, but it will not remove that smell. At take note, hindi rin nakakatulong yung mga ganitong air purifiers. Okay, so yung mga air purifiers na ganito, they actually need water to operate. And yung water na yon, it actually adds more moisture into your area. So, I don't suggest it kung meron na kayong amoy kulob sa bahay ninyo or doon sa kwarto na paglalagyan ninyo nito sana. So, maraming buwibili ng mga ganitong devices na may tubig and then they just add a lot of fragrance to cover up the smell. Covering up the bad smells will actually make it worse. You have to address what is causing it. So ano-ano ba yung mga bagay na dapat nating tignan para malesen yung chances na magkaroon ng amoy kulob sa bahay natin or sa room natin? First thing is damp clothes and towels. Usually dyan nagsisimula yung amoy ng kulob. Number 2, yung mga pillowcases natin, curtains, at saka mga kumot or bed sheets na hindi pa nalalabhan. Make it a habit to clean or wash your linens every so often to avoid these kinds of smells. Remember na absorb niyan ang pawis natin and it actually builds up the smell. 3, of course, naka-aircon kayo, nililinisan nyo ba yung aircon filter nyo? To prevent these kinds of instances from happening, I would suggest opening your windows. 10 minutes lang yan para lang lumabas yung lumang hangin and wala naman kayong bintana or masyado maliit yung bintana nyo for your area or kunyari pahaba yung space ninyo. I would suggest getting air purifiers that do not use water. You can also use odor absorbers like baking soda or activated charcoal. You can also find odor removers like this one from Frankie General Store. This one can remove effectively kahit mga cigarette smoke, of course amoy kulob, and even unwanted smells from pets. And last but not the least, you can also buy dehumidifiers for your space. So those are my tips to ensure that your space smells clean and mawala yung amoy kulob na smell. I share this to the people who have kulob problems in their home. Till the next video. Bye!